Click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.
So we have our designs up to the 6th and the 7th floor, or the 6th and then the roof level, but I got it up here up to this level. So what could be the reason? Okay, so I want us to use another method in the way we place our columns. There is the slanted column type. I want us to be able to slant this side to the top and slant the other side to also to the top. That is why I kept it like this. So let's move straight to any of our levels. So let's create these, let's say about a meter. So, or let's say 1200. Okay, to this side, let's put another 1002 to the side. We come here, we create 1002, create 1002 to this side so that we have that symmetry. So now we should be at the 5th floor level. Let's see, the 6 hasn't been drawn, so we are at the 5th floor level. And now we want to draw our column. So we come in here and pick our, let's pick our standard by standard column we should be using. And then this time around, we choose slanted and not vertical column. Okay, so we come in here and then we say, so you click here and you click on the next joint. Okay, now I said, okay, so what happens? So you place the column, choose the slanted column, and then it's asking you, it is at the which level do you want to click first? So I want to click at my 5th level, and then I want the second level to be in the 6th. Okay, so let's make here 5th, and then the second level should be in the 6th level. Okay, so we click here, and if you're not getting it, just zoom closer so that you snap it very well. It is there. It is there. It is here. And it's here too. Okay, so that's the 5th. So we can go also to the 6th floor and then say that we are come to place a slanted column also. Let's say from the 6th to the roof. Okay, so that one is well stated. We stand here to the intersection here. Stay in here to the intersection there. Stay in here to the intersection there. Stay in here to the intersection there. Bam. So that's it. So you can go to the 3D and see what we're talking about. Aha! So you see our columns are now slanted. So we can have that beautiful thing done on the edges of it. Okay, so let's see what we can also do at this side. So let's do same from the 5th floor, and then do same for these two sides that we have. Okay, so we pick our column, slanted column, and we are supposed to pick you from the 5th to the 6th. Fifth to the 6th. 5th here to the 6th, and then from the 6th floor. Okay, so it is not allowing me because this one should go to the roof first, and then it will allow this one to move to the 6th. So we have to go to the 6th floor, and then we see it clearly there. So we pick our slanted column. We start from this point, we move to the intersection. It is well placed. The snap is there. It makes it easier for us to work. We have it here, and we have it also here, and then we can come back and look at what we have in the 3D, and our columns are well slanted. So we can now look at how to push the rest of our beams from the 5th floor now to the remaining part to close it up. Okay, so we come in straight away here. Okay, so in order to avoid any conflict, these are the slanted columns. Okay, so that's the slanted column. Okay, so we can go to the fifth floor. Okay, so now we are at the fifth floor. Okay, so now we want to select all the columns we have here. Okay, select all the columns that we have here, the slanted ones, because we don't want to be copying that one to also to the top. Okay, so with these ones we can now hide them, hide this element, and then now we can select everything we have here. Okay, and then we say, okay, so we are copying to clipboard and we are pasting, so align to selected level. Now we are taking it to the 6th and then the roof level. Okay, so we click it up. Okay, so let's go up here. Okay, great. We have it here with some little work to be done. But I think it's coming up nicely. Let's close up these ones at the 6th floor quickly, then we can get our job done. So we come in here, select these columns. You see, press the control and select these columns that we have. Then we can use the move tool to move it from any point we are to 1200, because we know the distance between the grid is 1200. Okay, and it has moved those beams to that side. We have same here, we move it, click here, and then move it to 1200. Is there. Okay, now when we move to the roof level, let's see what we have at the roof level. Okay, so roof level 2, we have this beam also here. You can decide to say, okay, so here we are going to add 1002 plus 1002, so it's 24. So we say move, we are moving this column to about 2400. I'll join the elements and it's moved. And here too at the roof level, I can select this, select that, and then we move it to 400, and it's done. Join the elements, say 3D. Okay. Let's go to the roof level to close up some few things there. We have some unfinished business here to do. Close similar. You can pick this to the edges here. Okay. Pick this one too to the edge here. It's there. Pick this one too to the edge here. It's done. Let's pick this beam here. The edge we have here. Let's pick this beam here. The edge we have here. It's done. Let's pick this beam here to the edge we have here. It's done. And we can try to pick this one to the edge we have here. It's also done. Let's see our 3D. Wow. Nicely done. Yeah. We can shade it. you can shade it to see the work that we've done so far. So you see, just these few moments, you see, we've been able to design something as complex as this. And I want you to have the feel or the experience of working with complex projects. So then the easier ones, the smaller ones become something a take home for you. Okay, so thank you so much. We've been able to build our beams and our columns and our walls. The next moment you're going to look at our foundations and we'll take it up from there. Thank you.
Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.